hard. I'ma go hard to the motherfucking lost it, and I'm never doing that, and I ain't pursuing that. And what that is, it's the game that your brain splat everywhere when you wanna talk that smack, but I bring it to the back when I rap.
Boom! That's the sound you hear in the room. When me and Anthony comes on and we come with a boom. As a zoom, you can't see, but you just hear a tune. And your body starts to move to the motherfucking groove. And we are saying fuck it, we are just letting go. Because the rhythm's in our blood and the rhymes in our dome. And we're doing these things that is a pro. And you do not like us, so you are a hoe. But we gonna take it in a moment and kill the beat. Because we are willing to do this thing and succeed in the game that isn't breathing, but that's okay. Revive the dead, receiving.
My flow looks beautiful, yours is atrocious. Yes, me and CV is too ferocious. I'ma show ya I'm going the ocean, floating on this bitch while my flow got emotions. Of course I'm the one causing all commotion. I'm home in the game without a worry or moment to come in and show you who is the king. It's me and I'm mean. I'm not a human being. I'm something with a team, kinda like a Martian going off this beat. Feeling retarded, but I'ma show you that I am taking down your market. Wait, it hasn't even started. I just begun. I haven't won just yet, but I'm 150 feet in front of y'all bums. I come to reclaim the name that was the game, cause I promise I will change and murder all of these lames. Tie them up in chains, squash they neck and then pop go they brain. I am a king, that's what I claim. It is Anthony, you can see it when I go insane.
When I flow, everybody's gonna scream, everybody's gonna think, damn, that is a beast. Because me and Anthony has been let off the leash and the cage has been broken. Now you see the people coming out that is the best in the game. I have told you this before, but I will say it until your brain comprehend these things I create. When I put the words together, the form will play, and the motion you hear got your body on 10. And everybody wants to hear me and Anthony rap again, but they can never comprehend, but they don't even care, because they know we are breathing the finest damn air.
All of these rappers only tuned to profession, the rest is a disaster. I'ma show you why I came into to change it, rearrange the game in a beats that's not tamed yet. But I got the mind frame, came and let the climb thing. I'ma climb the mountain to the motherfucking ground, man. With the flow, yes, I'm not going so soundly. It is too loud, but the police haven't found me. Chilling from the house, they can't come inside, cause I'm coming from your eyelids. Rip out your eyes so you can't see what I'm doing. And yes, I'm proving to all these damn lames that they can't see an illusion, cause I am disappearing at a moment, got confusion. You thought you see me till I left you with some bruises. You ain't seen yet, you started choosing the wrong path to go down. I just started losing my mind.
My mind and money, I ain't got a dime in my pocket, ain't even funny. But that is okay, because my rhymes are always running. And when they get to your ears, you hear and stunning. The and funny thing is I'm great, like damn monkey see, monkey do, and I take a lot of hip hop in my damn veins. And when it's played to you, you wanna shout and scream, and your body cannot help but move to. Just go to it.
Steven gon' start it. Shall I say master nobody? And he the master. He gon' show you why we laid it down like some plaster.
Let me speak to you guys, the youth of the nation, a whole nother generation. Rap is in the place, and we're in the perfect placement to be amazing. Because we rhyme so good, your mind is racing. The rhymes so good, your mind is breaking. Your house and ceiling collapse, but when I'm faking, we're saying these words to the generation that follows us, cause we are perfect.
Yeah, making it rain. I changed the forecast, knock you on your back, leave you wet, a sore ass. You know what I'm talking about. I let more blast till you run away. And of course you never see my flash so fast, come passing the dash, an earthquake. You couldn't see the acid splash on your face. I'm a master in the stress tragically erased from the game, but I'm just turning the page. You gon' see me on the next one. You better get protection. Come inside your home, homie. What you tryna object? I ain't listen to it. I just spit it flow until it come and limb you, lip you, rip you from your limbs. I don't know what I'm doing.
Everybody says the sky is the limit, but I'ma make a number that isn't a double digit, and then it'll be quadruple. Then I have too high for any mind to comprehend the number that I find. I find myself rapping in the game that's objective. Like he said, sometimes people feel rejected, but that's not what he said. So I got a question: what have I said in the last 36 seconds? The fact of the matter is, this is freestyling, just a mind and a rhyme coming out like childish. Just a random collage of different things and words that rhyme together put perfectly. And your mind can't comprehend emerging as the best in the kid, but I'm not even a badass. But I can fight and I can rap, but I can do so much I don't even have talent.
Yes, going hard, cause the stress is strong. Always bout that green, like a leprechaun. I ain't playing, I just get my leopards on. That is the moments, I'ma show you what them sheriffs gone. Smoking on that bong all night long, you ain't seen me. Me and Stevie gone, as a team that is beating your brains out. Just be coming for the rain cloud, that is us. It is a funnel up in the tunnel coming under you. Me and Stevie got that thunder, dude, and we push you to the earth, and the turf just blundered you. I mean blender, but I'm a message sender, and I press send, motherfucker, that's I eject ya.
I eject ya, call me a lawyer. I'ma throw you in the furnace and the boiler. The rap's so hot that it can't be foiled, spoiled, or anything else, cause the boy is the greatest rapper along with his friend. Coming into the game and they always said we were the best. And now that we know it, we're gonna expose it, throw it in your face like a dynamite and make it explode.
White owl, homie, let me repeat it. Send me a message, bitch. I delete it when I see it. Yes, I'm the one that's always beating it. Motherfucking lames from conceding or conceiving this thing. Well, yes, I am admiring the game. I am inspiring everybody that wants fortune and fame, cause I am rising like the temperature in the Texas, Arizona, in the drought. And you know I'm the bestest. I'm arresting these motherfuckers trying to contest with these white owls doing this thing to perfection. You already know what I almost said. If you don't know, I'ma say it again, that I am Mr. Wonder Bread going into the end. Don't pretend, but don't get offended, cause I just knock your kneecap. And the beast, yeah, I be that. I be in the sky like a motherfucking toucan.
This is bro.
We got 7:20, dude. 4 minutes.
Dude, sorry.